What we have to fix today is a hole is stripped out. Now this is a simple fix. We're first going to need to take this doorknob off, and then we can get a closer look at that hole. Let's see what we got going here. So there's the good screw hole, and here's the one where the screw kept falling out. And as you can see, big chunks of wood are actually missing where it's been stripped out. To fix that, all we're going to do is use a simple golf tee. We're going to add just a little bit of glue to this. It don't take much. Smear it around. We'll stick it in the hole and then just tap it in a little bit. Don't have to be hard because you're not wanting to split the wood. Now we'll just let that dry and we'll come back, trim it up, and be good to go. Alright guys, we've waited the allotted time and now this tee is dry and ready to cut off even with the door. We're going to take our pocket knife and kind of Katniss Everdeen style, we're going to slowly saw around this gently without breaking it until we get it smooth and even. There we go. Now we got a nice solid piece of wood to screw the new screw into. Like I say, since we filled that broken out piece with that golf tee, it has plenty of wood now to bite into where it's a nice solid snug deal. So let's just put the rest of the screws back in, doorknob on, and we got this quick fix done. Now this simple trick can be used not only on door latches, but cabinet hinges, door hinges. Anywhere there's a wood backing, you can easily apply this trick. Now if you want to know how to actually install a doorknob, we've got a video for that. I believe the link's right about there or somewhere. Check it out. But until next time, have fun and go learn something.